everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to discuss about the variables in Java. And this tutorial is going to be very exciting. We are going to learn many things over here too. That is how to declare variables, the naming convention of the variables, and I'm going to give you some recommendations too. Not only these, there are more things that you're going to learn in this video. So I request you to please watch this video to the end. And after this video, we are having a Q&A session. It will be based on MCQs related to variables, related to this topic we are studying. So even if you know what are variables and all those stuff, watch that video which will be coming after this one for revisiting the concepts for better clarification. Okay, so I don't want to waste the time. So without any further delay, let's get started. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the variables in Java. A variable is a container used to hold data. Let's take an example here. So you might be wondering now, what is string here? So basically, string is a data type here about which we are going to study in the next tutorial. Name is a variable here. It stores the value Shinjini. Okay, and this equal to sign here is the assignment operator. It assigns a value to the variable. Shinjini is the initial that we have given to name. It is a value that we have assigned to the variable name. Now instead of hello Java, we are going to print name here. And we are going to use the shortcut Shift plus F10 to run the program. Beautiful, right? It has printed Shinjini here. Now you can also assign variables in the same line. See, we have assigned a string type value Oishani to the variable name too, and also in the same line. Technically it's correct, but I would not recommend it because it looks untidy and it makes the code look ugly. So we are going to move it here. Now let's learn how to copy the value of one variable to the other. Let's change the name of the variable to her name and assign the value of name to it. And now we are going to print her name. Let's run the program. See, it has printed Shinjini here. Why? Let me tell you. What is the value of name? The value of name is Shinjini, right? And what is the value of her name? The value of her name is the value of name, that is Shinjini. So when we print her name, it comes Shinjini. So simple. So you can see here, to the variable first name I have given the value Shinjini, and to the variable last name I have given the value Devnath. Now let's declare another variable of string type, which is full name, and we shall give it the value of. So what does this mean? To the variable full name, we have assigned it the value of first name, that is Shinjini. This plus operator over here combines the value of first name and last name. Now what we are going to do is we are going to print full name. Let's see what happens. It's coming in a very weird way, that is Shinjini Devnath with no space between them. So what we are going to do is we are going to give a space after Shinjini over here and run it again. It's okay now, Shinjini Devnath. Now notice the convention I have used for naming the variables. It is camel case. The first word with which the variable begins, it is in lowercase. And the second word, it starts with a capital letter and then it is all the same in lowercase. We use the camel case to initialize a variable. I hope from my end that you are able to understand what are variables in Java. In the next tutorial, we are going to learn about Java data types.